We're on this earth to move the pendulum a little bit in our lifetime.
It's a historic day in the state of Michigan.
I am so proud to be here, and I am excited to put our state on the right side of history.
On Thursday, Governor Whitmer joined former state representative Mel Larson, one half of the namesake of the Elliott-Larsen Civil Rights Act of '76, as she took pen to paper, signing an expansion of the bill, which now protects the rights of those within the LGBTQ+ community. People like Enzair Zawabenya, the founding director of LGBT Detroit, which has been around since the early 90s.
I live in the intersection of what it is to be an African American and LGBT person. This decision impacts one experience that I have personally, an experience that I know from the other half historically. To be discriminated against says that you're not welcome here and you must go someplace else. Many people before me fought to make sure that that doesn't happen.
Enzair is referring to the time a former employer fired him after learning during a radio interview that he was gay, something he says he never hid privately but felt no pressure to share professionally.
When they heard my confession on the rate of my identity, one part of my identity, I was told explicitly that's why I was terminated. So it wasn't a surprise. I was told explicitly because of my affection to the same gender.
It's a story other Michiganders in the LGBT community can relate to, further highlighting, he says, the importance of this amendment.
A lack of protections impacted me and my future in remaining a Michigan resident. And I thought at that time I had to leave.
Whitmer's signature makes Michigan a more inclusive state today than it was just yesterday.
To actually witness decisions that favored us, favored Michigan, you know, I still get tingles because I lived my life here knowing that Michigan wasn't completely safe.
23 senators voted in favor, 15 voted against. And to them, Enzair has this to say.
I would ask you to go to your constituency and have a deeper dive conversation about the benefits of this amendment. I would ask you to recognize that not only has time changed, they will continue to change.
Liz Lewin, Fox 2 News.